Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a provider and signing in. Create a new Python 3 notebook so you have a running kernel. Once done, upload your IPIN or paste starter code. Make sure the kernel status shows connected. If you need your files, mount Google Drive or attach an S3 bucket now. You do this up front to avoid interruptions later. Check runtime settings, select hardware accelerator if required, and run a quick print hello cell to confirm execution works. You now build your notebook iteratively. Write Markdown to explain intent, add code cells to implement steps, and run tests as you go. When you need libraries, install them in a cell using pip or conda commands, then restart the kernel and rerun dependent cells. Make lightweight functions and test edge cases often to catch errors early. Once stable, save a checkpoint and export requirements. TXT or an environment. IML so the notebook reproduces elsewhere. Use Git for collaborative version control. You finalize by clearing transient outputs, adding a brief summary cell, and exporting to HTML or PDF for stakeholders. When sharing, grant access or publish a read-only link and include your requirements file so others can run the notebook identically. If something breaks, examine the kernel logs and error tracebacks. Try restarting the kernel, increasing instance memory, or reinstalling problematic packages. As a rule, reproduce the error in a fresh environment to isolate causes, then document the fix in the notebook.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.